I would like to point out clearly that yes, you have one helix, two helix, just as he's showing in his video, okay? And the third, like we've seen, are parallel lines. That requires a third frequency. And here he is drawing the third frequency for you. He's proving it's not a double helix. It's three to form DNA. Thankfully, you have to have this in there to create the DNA. Running parallel, just like he drew it, just like I said it in two previous videos. Sorry, three. 1, 2, 3. So while actively, and look, he just posted this. I hadn't seen it. Finding Ra in a still frame on Iswa is like finding Jesus on a piece of toast. He's drawing the triple helix, which for days he's been calling me a demon for talking about. Are you fucking kidding me, Lee? Why do you enjoy lying to people so much? All of a sudden, you've taken down half your fucking content and start insulting women and court empirical IR evidence. You literally throw a cucumber on a stick, a ball on a wire, and try and act like that's the way the moon moves every night. Look at that. It moves 6.24 degrees. That's a little more than 6.24 degrees there, Lee. Fucking jackass. Let me tell you something. I keep making your videos, man. You've proven me right every fucking time you open your mouth.